You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and what it is. We'll be looking at how to say more phobia names. Yes, this is a phobia name. Yes, you'd be curious and interested to know what it is. It's crazy. Anyhow, this is the fear of dog, the phobia for dogs. Cynophobia is how you say it, not xenophobia, cynophobia. Yeah, it's easy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, including the name of that incredible phobia. You wouldn't believe what it's about. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Like this video and I'll see you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.